Hi, and welcome to another edition of Destination Bacon. And on today's episode, we're going to make an easy and delicious treat. It is a croissant that has bacon cream cheese filling inside. Stay tuned for this week's recipe. Go ahead and preheat that oven to 375. And you can fry up your bacon in the meantime. While my bacon is frying, I have lined a cookie sheet with tin foil. It just makes for easier cleanup. You're going to want to make sure your cream cheese is pretty soft. So, put your cream cheese in a bowl. There we go. And to our bowl, we're going to add a third of a cup of Parmesan cheese, about 3/4 of a tablespoon of garlic powder, about 3/4 of a tablespoon of onion powder, and a full tablespoon of parsley flakes. And of course, we can't forget our bacon bits. So I fried and I've crumbled up my bacon bits, and I'm adding that to the mixture. Okay, now that you have all your ingredients in the bowl, you're going to want to mix it together really well. Let's mix our ingredients together. And when we have it all mixed together, we're going to spread it onto our crescents, our croissants. Be back in a minute. Now, open up your crescents. Lay them out. All right, I've got my little sections separated a little better here, and you're just going to put a dollop of your mixture right on there. You can use as little or as much as you want. Now, I've only used one package, one roll of 8 of these crescents. You certainly, if you have a larger family or a bigger gathering, you may want to do more than that. Then we're going to just start rolling these up and put them on our baking sheet. I think we're going to add a little more. Now, just roll these up. Put them on your sheet. I even sprayed my sheet with just a little bit of cooking oil so that these crescents wouldn't stick. When I was stirring the mixture, gotta tell you, smelling really, really good. That Parmesan cheese, it's so fragrant. You can really smell that in the mixture. All right, you guys, you know what to do. Just keep rolling and get them on your cookie sheet. I've got them all on my sheet. So in the oven, they will go. For about 13 to 15 minutes on 375. It has been 13 minutes. Let's see how these guys look. Ooh. I think those look ready. Golden brown. Yes. Those look really good. You can see the cream cheese in there with a little bacon sticking out. All right, we're gonna let these cool and do our taste test. They're fresh out of the oven. Our croissants filled with cream cheese and bacon. Oh, smells so good and light flaky golden brown. Let's do a taste test. Oh my goodness. Wow. Cream cheese, obviously very creamy. That bacon is so savory, gives it that smoky flavor. You know what? I think if you would have chopped up some fresh chives and added them in here, that would have been really a nice touch. But the croissant, it's a buttery, it's flaky, it's soft in the middle, it's got more crunch on the outside. This was just super, super easy and fast. So I would highly recommend it for your next snack or summer gathering. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Please, please be sure to subscribe. Like, mash that subscribe button, guys, and comment below with the kinds of recipes you want to see on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next Thursday. Bye.